Have you ever imagined yourself as the captain navigating a ship through stormy seas, guiding your crew with precision and expertise? Well, the SAFe, that is Safe Certified Scrum Master Certification, is your ticket to becoming the agile captain of your organization's ship. This certification program is designed for individuals who want to take their Scrum Master skills to the next level and excel within the scaled Agile framework. The average salary of SAFe Scrum Master in India is 17.2 lakhs per year, while in the United States, it's $137,000 annually. The SAFe Scrum Master Certification is a valuable credential for Scrum Masters, Agile coaches, project managers, and anyone who wants to play a key role in driving successful Agile transformation with large enterprises. So in this video, we will cover what is SAFe Scrum Master Certification, understand the exam pattern, career opportunities after certification, and how to become a SAFe Certified Scrum Master.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
So what is SAFe Scrum Master Certification? SAFe Scrum Master Certification is a badge that shows you know your stuff when it comes to Scrum, Lean, and Agile ways of working. It's like a stamp of approval that says you are great at managing Agile projects, especially in big companies. To get this certification, you have got to prove you really understand SAFe principles and how to use them in real situations. There's an exam you have to pass called the SAFe SSM exam. It tests what you know about the SAFe framework and how you would handle different challenges. Now let's break it down. Scrum is a way of working where teams tackle big projects in small and manageable steps. Lean is all about being efficient and cutting out waste. And Agile is a mindset that focuses on being flexible and responding quickly to change. SAFe combines all these ideas and adds a layer for working in big organizations. Imagine you're in charge of a project in a big company. You need to make sure everyone on the team knows what you are doing and those things are running smoothly. That's where being a SAFe Scrum Master comes in handy. You will know how to use Scrum to break down the projects into smaller tasks. You will also use Lean principles to keep things moving quickly and efficiently, and you will have that Agile mindset to adapt to any changes that comes your way. So getting certified as a SAFe Scrum Master is like saying, hey, I know my stuff when it comes to managing Agile projects in big companies. It's a way to show employees that you have got the skills they need to keep their projects on track and their teams working smoothly. So this was about SAFe Scrum Master Certification. Now let's understand about the exam pattern. So understanding about the exam pattern. The SAFe Scrum Master Certification exams follow the specific pattern designed to access your understanding. Here's what you need to know about the exam. So the duration is 90 minutes to complete the exam. Then number of questions. So there will be a total 45 questions. And to pass the exam, you will need to score at least 33 out of 45 questions correctly, which amounts to 73%. Now talking about the competency level, the exam is geared towards individuals at an intermediate competency level. This means you should be proficient and capable of performing tasks with some assistance. Now the question format. Questions for the exam will be either multiple choice question, where you have to choose one answer, or multiple select format, where you can choose 2 or 3 answers. Now, talking about the delivery, the exam is conducted online via web-based platform. It's a closed book exam, meaning you can't refer to any materials during the test. You'll also not allowed any outside assistance. And remember, it's timed, so manage your time wisely. Now, coming to the main part, that is the cost of the exam. So the cost of the first attempt is included in the course registration fee if you take the exam within 30 days of completing the course. And however, if you need to retake the exam or if you attempt it after the 30-day window, there's a fee for $50 per attempt. So it's like that. Alright, so this was about the exam pattern. Now coming to the career opportunities after certification. So after completing the SAFe Certified Scrum Master Certification, you can target a variety of job positions that leverage your knowledge of Agile and Scrum practices. Some of them are Scrum Master, Agile Coach, Product Owner, Project Manager, Program Manager, and Iteration Manager. So these are some of the positions you can opt after doing this certification. Alright, now let's understand how to become a SAFe Certified Scrum Master. So let's divide the procedure or plan into 3 steps. Step 1 is create a proper study plan. So let's understand that first. So preparing for the SAFe Certified Scrum Master exam starts with creating a study plan. This plan outlines what you need to focus on. First, identify the main goals and the important ideas for the exam. Understand the key concepts thoroughly. This helps you prioritize your study time and ensures you cover all the necessary topics to succeed in the exam. So this was about the study plan. Now coming to the next step, which is prepare for SAFe Certified Scrum Master exam. So basically the training part. For preparation purposes, consider enrolling in a SAFe Scrum Master Certification course. Over 16 hours of live instructor-led sessions. You will delve into the intricacies of scaled Agile framework, mastering Agile development at a scale, iteration planning, and fostering high-performing teams with a 1-year membership to the SAFe community platform. Access invaluable resources to support your journey. Professionals who pass the SAFe Scrum Master Certification exam from Simplilearn will receive SAFe Scrum Master Master Certificate, SAFe Scrum Master Digital Badge for online profiles, and much more. You will get the link to the SAFe Scrum Master Certification course by Simplilearn in the comment section below. Alright, now let's talk about the study material thing. So supplement your learning with the official course materials including the SAFe Certified Scrum Master Guide and additional resources provided by your chosen training provider. As I've mentioned, you can go through the SAFe Scrum Master Certification by Simplilearn and you will get all the resources in that particular training course. Alright, now coming to the next thing, that is the third step, which is mock test. So mock test. Taking mock test is an important part of preparing for the SAFe Certified Scrum Master exam. These practice tests mimic the real exam, helping you get familiar with the format and types of questions. By giving mock tests, you can access your readiness and identify areas where you need more practice. It's a great way to build confidence and improve your chances of success on the actual exam. After that, you can go for test analysis. Analyzing mock test is crucial for SAFe Certified Scrum Master exam preparation. After taking a mock test, review your answer to understand where you went right and where you made the mistakes. Identifying the patterns in your errors and focus on improving those areas. This should be your goal. So this analysis helps you fine-tune your study plan and strengthens your weak points, increasing your chances of performing well on the actual exam. And the last step would be to go for the exam. So by following these steps and maintaining consistency in your preparation, you can confidently pursue your goal to become a certified SAFe Scrum Master. With a solid study plan, regular mock test, and through analysis, you will be equipped to ace the exam and excel in your Agile career journey. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching, stay safe and keep.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.